Clove oil is a treasure trove of health benefits. It is of great importance in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicines, where it is known for its antimicrobial, antifungal, antiviral, antiseptic, and stimulating properties. Fungal infections. Clove oil can combat fungal infections caused by yeast, including oral and vaginal candidiasis. Antibiotic therapy indiscriminately destroys both pathogenic and beneficial gut bacteria, often resulting in an overgrowth of fungi in the gastrointestinal tract. Oral thrush following medication with antacid or antibiotics is a typical example. Oral candidiasis is a common problem with people wearing dental fixtures. Fungal infection can be successfully treated with Provoil, be it on the skin or in the mouth. Being an edible oil, it is even safer than the fungicidal mouth paints that you can get from drugstores. Warm 2 tablespoons coconut oil until it melts. Mix with 10 drops of olive oil and allow to cool. Apply this as antifungal mouth paste. It can be used topically for fungal infection anywhere in the skin, although it may sting a bit. Controls acne. Acne is generally considered a problem caused by excess oil production by the skin glands, usually brought about by hormonal changes. However, it can be complicated by bacterial infection, as in the cause of cyst acne. Bacteria thrive in the pores clogged by trapped dust and oil, and the infection gives rise to large pus-filled balls. Cyst acne can be a chronic problem unless actively treated. The anti-inflammatory and bactericidal property of clove oil can be to help here. ACNE has been proven to be effective against Propionibacterium acne, the bacterium implicated in most acne cases. Let us not forget that clove oil is highly potent and can burn your skin if used at full strength. Always use a soothing carrier oil such as coconut or jojoba oil to dilute the clove essential oil before applying it to the skin. Mix just 1 drop of clove oil in 1 tablespoon of slightly warm coconut oil or apply it on the face, gently massaging it in with your fingertips. Clove oil will penetrate deep into the skin pores and clear out the infection, but it may take a few weeks before the skin heals completely. Even after the acne breakout stops, it helps to use clove oil as a face wash. You can add 2 drops of clove oil into a quarter of warm water and use it to wash your face in the morning and before going to bed. Rinse with cold water. How to make clove oil? Ingredients: 8 to 10 pieces clove, 1 cup olive oil, extra virgin. Instructions: carefully put the clove pieces into a glass jar. Pour olive oil into the glass jar and close its lid. Shake the glass jar and let it stay for 1 to 2 weeks. Every day shake the jar at least once so that the ingredient mix well. Strain the oil into an airtight container using a fine mesh strainer or a cheesecloth. Use the oil immediately or store it in a dark, dry place. Notes: you may also use grounded clove oil, but then strain the oil accordingly. You can store the oil up to 4 months and it won't get rancid. The potency of the oil depends on the number of cloves used, so use them with caution.